So here we have a problem where we're going to find the center of rotation. So here we have a line segment AB, and we have its image AB, and it's been rotated around 90 degrees clockwise. But the only problem is we don't know where the center of rotation is. It looks like the center of rotation is in here somewhere, right? Because it's pivoted around like this. So the way to find it, pretty simple really. So all we need to do is find our ruler and a pen and go to work. So first of all, we draw a line segment joining the original point and its image. So in this case, we're going to do B. So B to B dash. And while I'm at it, I'll also do A to A dash because I'm going to need 2 points there. Okay, 2 line segments. Here we go. So I now have these 2 lines that I'm going to bisect. I need to have perpendicular bisectors. So for that, I'm going to need my compass. And all I do, make sure I set the compass so it's more than halfway of the distance between the 2 points on a particular number line, on a particular line segment that I'm going to bisect. So I'll start here. Now once I've set it, I don't change it for this particular line segment. So I'm going to do this one here. So carefully put it there, make an arc. Oops. So do an arc. Don't take the compass off like I just did. That's a bad idea. Do another arc. Now I can take it off. Go to this point, put it on as carefully as I can, inscribe another arc so it intersects. That's all you need to do. Do the same at this side. Okay. So that's one bit of working, which will help me to get the center of rotation. So I just join these 2 and make the perpendicular bisector to this line here. So here we go, there's 90 degrees. So somewhere along this line that I've just drawn, this perpendicular bisector is the center of rotation. I'm nearly there. I just need to do the same thing, make a perpendicular bisector to this line, A dash. So again, set the compass so it's over halfway. So there we go, that's over half. And again, put it here and don't move it until I've done both arcs, one there and one there. And now I can move it. Don't touch the setting. You can see I'm only touching the arm of the compass with the point on it. So be very careful. Put it smack bang on that point there and just inscribe a little arc where it intersects, and the same down here, right there. Okay. So join those 2 points up that I've just created with the arcs. And really, I can see right here that here is the center of rotation, where those 2 perpendicular bisectors intersect. And that really is as easy as it gets.